Now this is where I would like my ashes thrown. It's one of the most dynamic, beautiful places in my heart. It's not Paris, but it's deep within my heart, and I would like to finish here. Begin forever, right here. Don't sprinkle me, just throw me in a bag of ashes to disperse at the sea's will. That's what I would like, and I think that would be a very good way. It certainly consoles me now, even though I'm only 52 and I hope to live another 52 years. And may these two be still here in 52 years' time. I'm sure they've been here a lot longer to this point. So Gibson steps, dynamic, a reminder that the forces of nature are pretty spectacular, slow, deliberate, inevitable.